You probably have this in your kitchen right now. But what if I told you that this tiny spice, just one clove, can help you protect your liver, fight infection, freshen your breath, and even balance your blood sugar? And here is the crazy part. Most people do not know how to use it right, and that's why they don't get the benefits. Today, I'll show you exactly what happens when you eat cloves every day from a pharmacist perspective, and I'll show you the right way to use it safely. This video might just make you look at this humble spice in a whole new way. Hi, I'm Pharm Neme, and I help you take charge of your health naturally and scientifically. If you love discovering new evidence-based ways of staying healthy, please feel free to subscribe because your wellness journey deserves real guidance, not guesswork. So what makes cloves so special? Cloves may look small, but they are nutritional powerhouses. They are packed with antioxidants, minerals, vitamins, and something called eugenol. Now, eugenol isn't just a fancy name. It's the main compound that gives cloves its medicinal punch. In fact, scientists have found out that clove oil has one of the highest antioxidants, more than other spices. That means it helps your body fight free radicals, those unstable molecules that cause inflammation, aging, and even chronic diseases like diabetes and heart diseases. So yes, something as tiny as cloves can actually help your cells stay younger and healthier. So now let's go into the amazing benefits of cloves. Number one benefit, it boosts digestion. If you often feel bloated or heavy after eating, cloves may be your new best friend. They stimulate digestive enzymes and help your stomach process food better. That means less gas, less bloating, and a healthier gut. Benefit number two, strengthens immunity. Cloves have natural antibacterial and antiviral properties. It helps your immune system fight out cold and flu during cold and flu seasons. That is why adding cloves to your tea or warm water can actually boost your body's defense system. Benefit number three, freshens your breath. You know that strong clove aroma? It's not just pleasant. It kills odor-causing bacteria in your mouth. Many traditional toothpaste and mouthwashes use clove oil for this reason. So next time, before running out the door, chew one clove. Your breath will thank you. Benefit 4. It supports liver health. Studies have shown that eugenol helps the liver to process toxins more efficiently and prevent fat buildup, so your liver stays safer and healthier. Benefit 5. It regulates blood sugar. If you are watching your blood sugar, cloves may help. They can improve insulin sensitivity, meaning that your body takes care of sugar more efficiently instead of spiking and crashing. Benefit number 6. It reduces inflammation and pain. Eugenol also acts as a natural pain reliever. That's why clove oil has been used for centuries for toothaches, sore muscles, and even arthritis. Benefit number 7. Slows aging and improves skin health. Because of its antioxidant properties, cloves help your skin glow from inside out. They fight cell damage, reduce acne-causing bacteria, and may even support collagen production, which means firmer and healthier skin. Now let's talk about how to actually use cloves to get these benefits. You only need 1 to 2 cloves a day. You can chew them, though they are hard, so you go slow with that. You can add them to hot water to make clove tea. You can sprinkle clove powder into your meals or smoothies. Please don't overdo it. More is not better. Too much clove or clove oil can cause GI irritation, and it can even thin blood in some people. So if you're on medication like aspirin or warfarin, make sure to consult your doctor first before using cloves. And for pregnant and breastfeeding women, it's best to enjoy cloves in food amounts only. So what should you expect if you start eating cloves every day? Within the first week, you may notice fresher breath and reduced bloating. After a few weeks, your digestion improves and your skin may become clearer. Over time, your body becomes more resistant to infection, your liver stays healthier, and inflammation drops, meaning fewer random aches and pains. I always tell my patients, small, consistent habits is what makes all the difference. Don't ever underestimate the power of something natural and simple. It's not about chasing trends. It's about understanding how your body works and how exactly to take care of it and giving you what it needs. So if you start adding cloves to your daily routine, do it with intention. Listen to your body, stay hydrated, and combine it with healthy habits like eating real foods and moving your body daily. So there you have it, the truth about what happens when you eat cloves every day. It's small, it's simple, but the results can be powerful. And if you would want me to make a follow-up video about how to combine cloves with other natural ingredients for immunity, digestion, and clear skin, please comment here's Pharm Neme, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because your wellness journey deserves science, sincerity, and a little spice. I'll see you in the next one.